October 11th, 2025, and as I go on a yogic path in the 7th month of October 2025 to learn and teach or guide poses and breath work that helps us to sharpen our attention span and strengthen our hippocampus, the center of our memory. So 4 parts of our brain: the prefrontal cortex, the anterior cingulate cortex, and hippocampus, along with the cerebellum. They're involved with our attention span, our memory. These are the cognitive centers. And studies have shown that centuries ago, yogis came up with the idea that to find meditation, to sharpen their attention span, the dhyana, as Patanjali talked about, we have to work on our breath, and there is certain breath work. So today I practice Brahthika. That's a breath work to increase the flow of our blood into our brain, especially into the centers of the brain. That helps with our attention span, with our memory. Also, the standing pose warrior 2, that has been found to anchor our physical body, that helps us to launch into our energy body, to speed up the energy from the lower chakras all the way to the crown chakra. And then also going into the cobra poses, that helps to open our heart and helps to with the flow of blood into our brain. And finally, our bridge pose, or we can also do a shoulder stand. Those are helpful for flow of blood into cerebellum, into the frontal part of our brain, helping with our concentration focus. What I also found that if we look into studies on attention span, there has been brain scans that show that when we practice any standing poses, the balance pose, just like a chair pose or a twisted eagle, or even a tree pose, the Briksasana is a very important pose that helps to stimulate activity and blood flow into cerebellum. Cerebellum and the vestibular system is directly connected with our focus, with our attention span. So this has been very helpful to expedite the nutrients and blood flow into our brain. That helps us to concentrate better, helps us to remember. So short-term memory, processing speed, all those are aspects of our cognition, our memory, and it is sharpened through Nira Yoga. So as we look at the benefits of yoga and then include the neurosciences, it's been a wonderful journey. Thank you. I appreciate all of you.